Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make Guyanese Parsad. That is one of my favorite Diwali dishes. I love eating Parsad. Since I was a small child, I love eating Parsad. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make this delicious Parsad, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and click the bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload another video. Alright, if you're new to my channel, every day in October I will be uploading a video. Alright, today is Vlogtober day, I think it's 18. I have to check back, but just come back every day to see a dish from me. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my Guyanese Parsad. Enjoy. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients for my Guyanese Parsad. This is how I like to make my Guyanese Parsad. We have some milk here, flour, ghee, sugar, we have cinnamon stick and some ginger, we have the red cherry, we have a raisin, we have the clove powder, and a little bit of nutmeg. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is hot up your milk. So in the pot here, you're going to pour in your milk, and you're going to put in your sugar, milk, sugar, you're going to put in your cinnamon stick and the little bit of ginger powder. You're going to put in a little bit of your nutmeg and your clove powder. Stick down. You're going to put in your clove powder. Perfect. And you're going to add half cup of water to the milk, and you're going to stir it. Alright, until the sugar dissolves. We'll be back. Okay, so my milk is on fire there, so let me show you guys the next step. So you're gonna put on another pan here, and you're gonna put in your ghee. Alright, you're gonna put in your ghee and let it melt. We'll be back. Okay, so my ghee finished melting. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna parch your flour. So you have to gradually put your flour into the ghee and parch it. Alright guys, use low heat. Okay, use low heat for this process. Do not put it to high heat at all. Alright, low heat. So you're gonna keep putting in your flour piece. Alright, and parch it. So this is the end of my flour here. Keep parching guys, do not stop. You have to stay here and parch the flour. We'll be back. Okay guys, so you have to keep turning it and parch this flour until it gets a little brown. Alright, so you're probably gonna parch it for about 5 minutes or so. So we'll be back in 5 minutes and I'll show you how it's looking. We'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see here, it's been 3 minutes so far and the flour is getting fluffier. Alright, so it's been like getting easier to turn right now. Alright, so keep on going. It's not brown enough as yet, so just keep turning and turning. It's getting easier to turn while the process is going. Alright, so we'll be back. This is the consistency right now. Just need to get a little bit more brown, so probably another 3 to 4 minutes. All right, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been 7 minutes so far, and it's getting brown, but I still need to get a little bit more brown, so I'm gonna probably parch this for another 2 more minutes. All right, so this is the consistency right now. This is how it's looking. All right, remember, when you're doing this, you must get all the edges because it can burn. And don't do this in a cheap pot. You gotta use a hard bottom pot, all right? Because it's gonna burn fast. And keep doing it on low heat. All right, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so it has been 10 minutes since it's parching. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna put in your fruit. So I'm gonna put in my raisins. And I did soak my raisin before, alright? That's my raisin. And then you're gonna put in the cherry. Alright? And keep on stirring, guys. Don't stop stirring. You cannot stop stirring. You gotta keep going. You gotta keep turning, turning, turning. Alright? So now we're gonna put in our milk. Let me take out my cinnamon stick out of the pot here, and I'm gonna put in my milk now. Guys, you have to put in your milk gradually, all right? Just get it, and be careful because you can get burned. All right, so I'm gonna put in like half of this milk here. Guys, keep turning. You gotta turn quick. So bubbling up. Don't worry. All the milk will absorb into the flour. Alright? Just keep turning, turning, turning. Make sure you turn all over. Alright? Keep turning, turning, turning. Alright, so you can put in the other set of milk now. Put in the remaining of the milk. Alright, and turn it until it's all the milk absorbs. Guys, I'm sweating like a cow right now. I don't know why I'm sweating so much. Alright, so you can just keep turning till the milk absorbs. We'll be back. Okay guys, as you can see, the milk is still not absorbed fully as yet, but it's coming there. You just gotta keep turning it, alright? Just keep on turning. So we'll be back. So this is how it's looking right now. All the milk absorbed. So your parsad is basically done, and as you guys can see, at the bottom of my pan don't have any burn or anything, alright, because I cooked this on low heat. Alright, so my parsad is finished here, so I'm gonna plate it and let you guys see the end results. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is the end results for my Guyanese Parsad. This is my version. This is how I like to make it, and I like to put these kind of spices in my parsad. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. Follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. And today is Vlogtober day 18, yeah, I think 18. So I hope you guys try my recipe, like my video, comment down below, share my video. I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys. I don't know what's up with this camera, just freaking out, cutting off. It just keep cutting off every 5 seconds. I don't know. Anyway, bye. See you tomorrow.